This assessment asks us to devise a synthesis of this product using the acetoacetic ester synthesis pathway. So the first thing we want to do is add on our 2 alkyl groups. So we'll start by adding sodium ethoxide, followed by the electrophile that we want to use, to be Br leaving group, and then a 2-carbon spacer, and then our cyclopentane ring. That will form the acetoacetic ester with one of our alkyl groups attached. And then we can repeat the process with our second alkyl group. So we'll add another equivalent of sodium ethoxide, and then our second electrophile, which will be another leaving group, a 2-carbon spacer, and then a isopropyl kind of chain at the end, and that will add on our second alkyl group. And then we can do the decarboxylation. So for the decarboxylation, to form our final product, we will add base. In step 1, we'll add base and water. And then in step 2, we'll add an H3O plus quench and heat. And the heat is what will affect the decarboxylation reaction to form this final product. So this is how we can form this product using the acetoacetic ester synthesis pathway.